play this game. This can be really fun. This is like a new game I discovered. I'm gonna see what it can do. And I got this tripod, so let's see how we do this morning. Okay, let's go. 1 cent, 50 cents. You never know. We're gonna low roll for a minute here. Ooh. Oh. All right. We're gonna see if we can get it. Do it. Watch. I'm filming and I'm not gonna get nothing. Oh, okay, now we're gonna go up $1. I don't want to go past here. Got my little elephant blocking my bets. Okay, now we're gonna switch to no, we don't want game. Let's go to 2 cents and $1. Oh, she's cold this morning. Yeah, she's a little cold. Let's push back a little bit here. Maybe 2 cents would give me a little something, something. These machines are quietly, man, everybody's hitting jackpots last night on 4th of July, probably. You gotta wake this machine up, go. Oh, usually I get it on that. Let's go. Some flags? No, that's only 20 cents. Now we're gonna go back to 1 cent, 50 cents. Just whoops. Yeah, I'm not feeling this. There you go. Just as I said, I'm not feeling it. And she gives me a little something. This is the one I got my money back from the other 3 machines, the other 2 machines next to it. So sometimes you can get something big on 50 cents, and sometimes not. You never know. Finally, $12 in. Oh, I got the hold and spin. Look at that. There it is. Yay. Let's see if I can get over my 50, and then I'm going to cash out. I like to play this. I'm not chasing anything. I just want to see if I can get my money back. Or over 50 would be nice. Come on down. Come on, coin. Aww. Hey, let's go. Do another one. One more. Coin, coin. Yay. Coin, coin, coin me. Let's go. Coin, coin. And save it. Little something, something, not much. 50 cents. Let's do the Legends Touch. I don't think I'm up to my 50, but that's okay. Nah, didn't quite make it. So we're probably gonna go again. Probably go again. Sometimes on these you can get back to back, so I always do backup spins. I like to do those. I learned those from YouTubers. Because you never know. 2 and 3. Maybe one more. Nah, she's being stingy. Okay, so that's only $5 loss. I'm gonna switch machines. Okay, I switched machines. It's just 2 machines down. So let's see what happens. Let's see if this one's a little more active. And then there's a progressive. So actually that's higher than the other one was over there. So this is like a couple $100 higher. Let's see what we got. I'm gonna low roll again. And 1 cent. We're gonna do 50 cents. That's 50 lines. There we go. And I got the mini. Look at that. Sometimes switching machines is amazing. You let it take, okay, a couple bucks, and you're like, all right, I'm gonna switch machines. It's not showing me nothing. Let's go. After this, I'm gonna go to another game. Hold and spin. Give me the hold and spin. That's nice. I got the mini bonus. Okay. Hold and spin. Hold and spin. Yay! I love the hold and spin. I like the way the dragon comes out. Dragon's cool. Yeah. Ding, 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 ding. Could you imagine 15 of these and you get the grand, even if they're all little? That would be so cool. Calm down, yes, a bit. So yeah, maybe I'll get my $50 back or more, and then some. Got a mini. Oh, look at that. Hey, let's fill it up. Okay, Legends Touch. Let's go. Come on, save it. Do it. Ah. Let's please press it. Okay, let's go. $10. Ah, jipperoonie. Oh, it's bigger than the 50s. It's always min bad. But hey, I got a mini, so that was cool. And I got my money back. So I started with 50, and then I actually started, 45. So I got 1760. That's cool. 1970. Hey, it's the day I was born. It's the year I was born. That's kind of cool. All right, 1970. All right, let's do some backups. 1. Oh, she's a little active on this 50 cents. Back to back. Wouldn't that be something? I'm gonna roll it down to 60. That way I walk away with a $10 profit. Do it again. Oh, come on. And 1 more. And another. So we'll go down to 60. So that's nice. I can walk away with $10 profit and go play another game. All right, cashing out. Cashing out at 60. Hallelujah, hallelujah. I'm just taking the small wins today. Oops. All right, putting in what we call a traveling ticket, I guess. Some gamblers call it that. So I took the $60 ticket from the last game I just played, Dragon Legends. And then I'm putting in one of my other games I like to play is Ultimate Fire Lane. I love playing, and I'll low roll on that too. And I'll either go down to 30 or I'll cash out on a bonus. Maybe we can get a big one, who knows? I love the sound those balls get me going. When they come down, it's like, ooh, my heart just like boom, like firecrackers. Oh, apparently the button's not working. So I have to spin on the bet panel down there because somebody smacked the button so hard that you can't even smack the button. You can't even push the button. But that's all right. Oh, the bells are coming down. One time I got in my bonus, I got all 4 reels bells. It was like a couple $100 on a $1 bet. That was fun. All right, it's not doing anything on that. Do it. Sometimes you can get the big balls here on a $1 bet, a 50-cent bet. I had a $50 ball before. That was total fun. That took me by surprise. All right, this one's not doing anything on 1 cent. So I'm gonna go down to 2 cents and $1. And try that again. Do do a couple spins. Oh, maybe I'll get free games. That would be fun. I had tacos last night, but I'm still looking at it. The tacos look good. The tacos look good here at Tacos for breakfast. All right, let's try $2. And one more on $2. Oh, maybe one more. Back down to one. Nothing. Come on, Olivera Street. You always give me something. Let's go. But I'm on 2-cent denominations, so anything that comes down could be a double. I think these machines are sleeping. Everybody probably played them to death. There we go, $4. That's always nice. Come on, balls. I love those balls. They're just like boom. Alright, I'm gonna go down to 1 cent again. A little 50 cents. And then I'm gonna try, I think I'm gonna switch machines. I'm gonna jump to the machine next to me and see if it's doing anything. I like to play games, a lot of games, so I low roll and feel the machines out. You know, I'm not willing to sit here and put $100 in today. And here we go, do it. Now the balls are coming down. And that's it. Oh, one more. Let's do one more. And I'm cashing out and going. So I moved to the machine next to me. This is China Street Firelink, and the mini's $18 the same and $66, and the major's $5.18. And those can land on any bet. So. But let's do low roll, 50 cents. Feel it out. See what's happening on 1 cent. I've gotten little bonuses on this one too. Oh, look at that ball. That's a $10 ball on 50 cents. That would be awesome. It's hitting on 1 cent. Like action. Well, not hitting, but there's some action. Alright, let's move up to $1, see what's happening. The balls are coming down though. See, if I don't see the balls coming down on a bet, then I move. Or line hits. Like, it's no kickbacks. So, one ball. One more. Oh, another $10 ball. Okay, one more. Maybe like it gets you. You never know. Maybe before 20, I'll hit a bonus. That would be nice. I'm gonna go down to 50. So I've played. This is my 4th game this morning, and if I don't hit a bonus on this one or whatever, that'll be $100 down. So I have 4 games, you know, each are taking like $25. It's nice the balls are coming down. They're barely coming down on the dollar. You know what? Let's go to 2 cents. I'm gonna see what's happening on 2 cents. On 2 cents, $1. Maybe something. That's quite nice. $3. Okay. Maybe get a big ball. Ah, see, 2 balls pre-game, half and half. Let's go. Come on. Ding, ding, ding. Free games. Free games. Man, both these machines right next to each other are just teasing like crazy. Do it, do it. Come on. Give me a bonus. I love the fireball bonus. So fun. Total fun. Alright. I'm going back down to 1 cent. And some low roll out. See if we can catch something on 50 cents. So sometimes when the games aren't like after, you know, 15 to 20 spins and you get nothing, like you're just like boring. It's boring. I mean, yeah, you get a big bonus, but just some action. And it's just taking and taking and taking. I mean, the ball bonus is awesome. I love those. They're fun. I probably just said that, but I like to watch the ball bonus. But you can see how volatile like this morning is. Like they're like quiet. The machines I'm picking or the machines I'm getting on are just super duper quiet. Number one. And that's it. That's my 100. So I'm hitting the collect on that, and I'm going to take a little break because that's 100 in 1 hour. So break time.